Mo kí gbogbo wa pé àkúrò ojú ọjọ́ ṣe rí. Màá fẹ́ kẹ́jẹ́ ká jọ gbọ́ nǹkan tí àwọn bọ́dà wa àti bàbá wa yìí tó ń sọ. Ṣé lè yóò wá pọ̀ jù bí? Ṣé arẹ́bí dá wọn ni? Tàbí ó ń sọ ọ̀rọ̀ àsọjù? Kí ni opinion titi yín náà? Torí àwọn bàbá wa yìí, à ń láti máa jẹ́ kó máa gbọ́ àwọn nǹkan tó ń ṣẹlẹ̀ yìí. Bàbá dẹ̀ ṣe ń ṣe tá à ń pín káàkiri. Ẹ má rò wípé wọ́n gbọ́ o. Wọ́n gbọ́ ju báwa gan bá a ṣe lérò lọ. Ta ló fà á? Ta ló jẹ́ kó rí bẹ́ẹ̀? Ta ló jẹ́ kó rí bẹ́ẹ̀? Àwọn kan àti ẹ̀ sọ, àwọn eléyìí ń bú àgbàlagbà ni. Irú eléyìí tó ṣẹlẹ̀ yìí, ẹ fílẹ̀ nínú comment section tí yín náà. Ojú wo lẹ fi wò ó? Ṣé àwọn eléyìí ṣán bú àgbàlagbà ni? Ṣán rí àgbàlagbà fín ni? Tàbí àwọn àgbàlagbà àwọn náà ní kán fò kán nìṣó? Wọ́n fẹ́ fi ọwọ́ àgbàlagbà àti ọwọ́ ipò tán wà máa sọ wípé ìran Yorùbá á jẹ́ nǹkan kan mọ́. Ṣé bẹ́ẹ̀ ni tàbí bẹ́ẹ̀ kọ́? Ẹ máa bá mi kálọ. Ẹ jẹ́ agbọ́n nǹkan tí bọ́dà wa yìí. Ẹ jẹ́ agbọ́n nǹkan tó wí. Bóyá ó pọ̀ jù ni o, bóyá kò tó ni o, bóyá kò wíire ni. Ẹnu mi kọ́ lẹ máa ti gbọ́. Ẹ̀yẹ máa fílẹ̀ níbo nínú comment section. Òun ni kẹ́ ti fi sílẹ̀. Orúkọ tèmi ò tí yí padà. Dr. Talari talk show. Ayé ọpẹ́ yọ sí ọlọ́dọ̀ tí yín náà ní agbára lọ́wọ́ Ọlọ́run. Ayé ọpẹ́ á máa yọ fún wa lórí ọmọ, lórí ìdáwọ́lé wa. Òun là ayé ọpẹ́ máa yọ. Brother wa ẹnìkan kọ́ ọ, bọ̀ lórí èyí tá à ń ṣe lọ́wọ́lọ́wọ́ yìí. Ti brother wa ẹni máa gbé wa. Máa tún ṣe apá kejì ẹ̀ náà. Tí máa tún gbé brother wa míì náà wá kó lè jẹ́ wípé ẹ jẹ́ ká máa ju káàkiri. Ó máa dí ọwọ́ àwọn tá à ń sọ yìí. Ó máa kàn wọ́n lára. Ẹ máa bá mi kálọ.
The Yoruba Oba, a very stupid and foolish man wearing crown. I don't know if here is the most foolish and stupid man or stupid Oba of our own generation. Ogunwusi, Oni of Ife, a disgrace to the Yoruba race, Yoruba culture and tradition, an ass-licker and a fraud. Buhari and his gang, who destroyed Nigeria, has been receiving guests that makes him feel like he's actually a thing, a murderer, a genocidist, an hateful tribalist who became president of Nigeria and helped in furthering, dividing, and destroying that contraption beyond anything. But this chancer led other idiots like him to go and visit Buhari in Daura, or near Ife, the supposed Arole Oòduà. If this one Arole Oòduà, now this one be Omuale Oòduà. Like, I'm just saying, you know, they say that if a house is peaceful, now because the bastard in that house is yet to grow. I think the bastard inside the Oòduà's house has grown now. And there's no amount of, I don't think there's going to be limitation to the shame this guy is going to bring to Yoruba land. How did he even greet? How do you think he greeted Buhari when he got to Buhari's house? He went to Buhari's house. He went to Buhari's house. Royal fathers with supposed crowns. Oh my God. How do you think they greeted Buhari when they got there? Did they prostrate? Did they prostrate to him? Yeah, that's why, that's why Gani Fáyemí said he wouldn't, until his death, he would never prostrate to any Yoruba Oba. And he never prostrated to any Yoruba Oba. He never even had any chance of meeting them. That man pretty much came ahead of his time. How they sold us off. How they became the appendages of the criminal politicians, the ruiners of Nigeria. Suppose people who are supposed to protect our culture, our tradition. See what they have reduced it into. Political obas. Look at them. How old is he now, Seth? 48, 40 kids, Check how old who is he? See. Banana. See, how old is he? He should be about, is it 50, right? It's 50 years old. He was born on October 17, 1974. So yeah, he's 51. He should be 51. I'm sorry, 50 rather. He should be 50 now. This is 2024. A total disgrace to what's Yoruba. So you see, this is why a lot of people will never respect. And by the time these guys are done, there'll probably be nothing left for us to say, oh, hold on to and say we are Yorubas. We Yorubas, proud Yorubas. Eh? The same guy was reported to have traveled to China. You know that they are doing illegal mining of gold in Eleyi and then the surrounding communities, Chinese. Yeah, they have all their, especially in Osun State as we speak. When you go to Elisha, when you go to Ife and some of these areas in Osun State, illegal miners everywhere. People's homes are already shaking from different blast chemicals they are using to blast, some of this earth in all these communities as we speak. The same illegal miners in Ife, they invited him to China. They took him to their processing plant where they are processing their gold. They are stealing from Ife. Oh, sorry. John Belloron. So fortunate too. So when I saw that video, I was like, that picture, I was like, what the heck, man? Yeah? You left Ife, your palace, Abi. You travel down to Daura to go and present a picture to a murderer. Like, what the heck, man? Eh? How do you even explain that? But then I'm like, Mayegun, calm down. You are overreacting. There is no Oba in Yoruba land per se. You only have the local government employees wearing different kind of crowns and parading themselves as the custodians of Yoruba cultures and tradition. They do not have any respect for any culture and tradition, unfortunately. But we have to tell our children what these guys have now brought upon us, and never keep quiet. Don't ever keep quiet. Don't let anybody kind of blackmail you or gaslight you to keeping quiet. Don't say it as it is. Because that may be the only posterity that we have for our own children. Our children must know this too. These are disgrace to what is Yoruba. They are pure disgrace. One of them that served as Okuwari's advisor for 8 years. What is his name again? This guy from Ekiti. Babafemi Ojedu traveled down to Ibadan 2 days ago. Okay. Then he visited the supposed premier university of Ibadan, UI, and he posted this video of the states of the University of Ibadan. Take a look.